What's up, guys? So we never did a complete introduction to our van build here. Caroline's manning the camera, but we'll come down here and open it up. If it goes out of focus, it's because she's manning the camera.
Shut up.
Did you hit record?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the Ford E350 Econoline with the double passenger doors, so the two doors instead of the sliding door. We have an extended roof here and then an extended back in the back. This gives us like an extra three feet-ish. On the inside we've got about right under 6 foot of space, so I have to duck down, but Caroline works. So good. As you can see, both these doors open all the way. We took the things that stopped them from opening all the way, so they would usually open like this. We took those out so that way they open all the way and we have all this space. We did the floor in this, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. Seasoned wood vinyl flooring. It's waterproof and it's already got the padding underneath it, so we didn't have to use any padding, but we still put some down just to kind of dampen the noise. That way we didn't hear a lot of road noise. But seasoned wood, we took about 4 boxes of that. We did the whole floor, we did the trim on the front, and then if you can see here on the back wall, we used some 5mm underlayment plywood, super smooth, and it's got a cool design to it. We use this because it can bend and contour to the wall, because unlike the Sprinter vans, the Ford has a very odd shape, and we did cut around this because we have to build a box around it and be able to access this. And then you also can see all this. There's more insulation and stuff like this underneath the walls. This isn't glued in place because it's fine, and I didn't want to glue it in place just because I had to fix the cables. Same with here, didn't want to glue it in place with all the cables and stuff. And then you can see we did some of the silver lining insulation as well. And then we'll come on that inside here. So as you can see, what I was saying is I'm right at 5'11", and I can't stand all the way up, so I think the roof is like 5'9". But you can stand up here all the way. This is where our fan's gonna be at. You can see the wires here. Fan's right there. We got a Maxxair 7500K fan, and then we have all these cutouts that we're gonna cut out, and then the wiring and stuff that we're not gonna use. And then we just have to build out the rest of it. So we put this kind of cheap ladder on here just for now. That way I can get up and down to work on the solar. As you can see, here's the roof rack here. It is welded to the frame of the van. And if you come around here, Caroline, you can show them these windows here. We covered in white vinyl. You can kind of tell the color difference, but hopefully it'll age and all kind of look the same. You can definitely tell the difference between that and the fiberglass, but these windows are going to be blocked, so we didn't leave them open. We wanted a good finish here. It also allows us to put a big decal here if we want it. And then this will be the only window on this side as far as the passenger windows go that we use. They have stock rims, so, and stock all-terrain tires. But the roof rack is made out of, I think it's stainless steel. It's pretty lightweight, and it's only connected in the fiberglass in one point, and then it's connected in 4 corners on the actual frame of the body. But next up is solar, and then we'll just go from there, because it's a slow process because I have become super busy and Caroline got a new job. So